Hello again, it's me. Um, well, I got the food on the grill now. Still got a small flame, but not nothing really harsh. I got some chicken on some hot dogs. See, there's my orange crust chicken. What I do is I've already got it brushed up, but I'll do this just to show you. I take my brush, dip it in my sauce, and just lightly go over my chicken with it. And also put some of that sauce on the hot dogs. And I flip them over pretty often and put sauce on them pretty often. But right now, while everything is still going good, I'm going to walk over here to the shade and just kick back for a few minutes. It don't take long for them to cook out here on this grill like that. But see, what I do is I boil the chicken first. Yeah, that's right, I boil the chicken. Chicken's bad about drying out on the grill. So by the time it hits that grill, it's most of the way cooked already, sometimes even all the way cooked. Like the wind's blowing pretty hard today, so I'm afraid that the grill's gonna flame up. So I cook the chicken just about almost all the way. That way, by the time it hits the grill, it's practically already done. All I'm doing is getting that grill flavor on it, and that's really all I'm doing. That and cooking the sauce under the chicken and hot dogs. But it's good eating. After I get through the chicken, I'm gonna go inside and cook some stewed potatoes and green beans to go with it, and I'll probably come back on and post a picture of the plate here. And if y'all think that looks good, give me a like and thumbs up. Hey, by the way, on all my videos, go back and like them. Give them a thumbs up, and I want you to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, because I want all the friends that I can get. I always heard the strength in numbers, and I enjoy doing these vlogs, so I want to keep doing them, but I'm not going to do them if people ain't going to watch them. So subscribe. Let me know that you're there. Now, views just tells me you're there. Likes tell me you're there and like it. Subscribing tells me that you're there, you like it, and want to see more. Understand? So when you subscribe, you're saying, hey, Mike, that video that you put up, I don't know why, it wasn't no banger, it wasn't a lot of action, but for some reason, I enjoy that video. I like what you're saying. If you like what I'm saying, subscribe. My videos, as time goes, I'm sure they'll get better and better and better. I'm still new to this, still working at it, and I'm still so new that I can't even pause it without accidentally cutting it off. So all my videos are uncut. For me to cut, that means I'm starting a new video. But I don't know how to pause it. That's pretty pitiful. I know nothing about what I'm doing. Figuring it out as I go. But right now, I'm still using my phone for a camera, but later on, if y'all start telling me that, hey, I like what you're doing, I might actually give me a better camera. So please let me know if you can. Let me get back over here to this grill and flip these over. That's one of my secrets, is flipping them over a lot, because they cook quick on this grill, and basically they're already cooked. So I got to keep them moving. And sometimes you gotta rock them a little bit because they want to stick, or maybe pry them up a little bit. Some people say, spray your grill with cooking spray. It don't matter, it'll stick anyway. You know, a lot of people would complain if they see black on their chicken. That's when you know it's getting good. If you can get it black like that, just a touch of dark on it, without it drying out too, you got good chicken. The problem is, most times if it's getting black, it's drying out. So that's the reason why I like a brush-on sauce, because it don't get dry if you keep on brushing moisture onto it. You know? Looks like my hot dogs are trying to burn too. But I do like my hot dogs black. But everybody in my family don't, so I might always get some of these off of here before y'all end up black. Might be too late. That's one good thing about the gas grills, is you can regulate your heat on the gas grill, but you don't get your flavor. And I like my flavor. Would you believe the hot dogs I just put on are just about done already? I'm gonna brush a little sauce on them so they don't dry out too much. I'm gonna let y'all look at the trees again for a minute. The reason why I'm letting you look at the trees now is my dogs want to come outside. Hey, real life still happens, even if you're making a vlog. I'll be right back. I'm back. And that chicken's cooking a little too fast. Hot dogs too. And that's the reason why I like to boil my chicken first. That way, if it gets where it's cooking too fast, you don't end up with it being cooked on the outside and still raw on the inside, or burned on the outside and still raw on the inside, because it's already cooked. So let me get my black hot dogs off the grill. And as far as my black hot dogs, that's on purpose. I like hot dogs on the grill black. And most people say I'm crazy about that too, but I like my black hot dogs on the grill. Let this chicken around before it burns. because we don't want our chicken to be burnt, blackened. A little bit is okay. Blackened light is not. Black and white is definitely not okay. You know what I call blackened a little bit? I call it grilled. Brush a little bit more sauce on it. See, they're getting a little too black. So I think that's gonna be my last brush in here. I'm trying to buy a chicken here. That's good. Well, let's just see what they look like here on the grill. And I'm about to get them off of the grill because basically they're done. When the rest of the meal is done, I'll get back to you. Hey, I'm doing my stewed potatoes the way I've never done them before either. I'm actually stewing the potatoes inside the chicken broth from where I boiled the chicken. And I'll let you know how that turns out too. See you here in a few. Peace.